Hey everybody, and welcome to Dennis from Scratch. Today I'm going to show you how to chop some parsley and cilantro. Over here I have my parsley, my cilantro. I just rinsed these off and I've got some paper towels to pat them dry. They look very similar and the chopping technique is the same, but the way I can tell the difference is just by the smell. The parsley really doesn't smell like anything. The cilantro, however, it's a really strong scent, and if you just kind of crush one of the leaves a little bit, then it's going to be really strong and you'll be able to tell right away. So if it doesn't have a scent, it's parsley. If it does, it's cilantro. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to grab the whole bunch and we're just going to hold it, kind of bunch it up with our fingers up front. Take our large knife and using, we're just going to first off kind of go and slice it. So be really careful, use kind of a pinch grip over here, so keep your fingertips away. And just kind of move the knife back and forth. And you can use your upper knuckles to kind of guide the knife as you move your fingers slowly back, just kind of holding it all in place. And as you start to chop the parsley, then it'll get a little bit of a scent, kind of a minty scent. And these stems you can either chop up and use. I've got plenty of leaves. There's not as much flavor in the stems, so I'm just going to toss those. And now what I'm going to do here, now that we've got a coarse chop, I want a fine chop. So I'm going to kind of bunch it up like this in a pile with my knife in my hand. And then just keeping my fingers away, I'm going to use what's called an herb technique. And we're just going to kind of slice. It's a little bit of this motion on the board, but mostly we're just kind of going down and fanning it out. And just do this a few times until you have it as finely chopped as you want. And that right there is good enough for me. So I'm just going to get this off in a bowl. So now I've got my cutting board rinsed off. I'm going to show you the cilantro. And it's the same technique as the parsley. We're just going to bunch it up here, but I'm just going to work with half because I've here, make it just a little bit more manageable. So just using our pinch grip, kind of get close to it, using our upper knuckle as a guide. Just slice it so we get a coarse chop. And these stems are a whole lot finer on this cilantro, so I'm just going to include all of those in this too. Toss the rest of these. But yeah, see, we got a lot of stem in there. And then we'll just bunch it up like we did with the parsley. Keep our fingers out of the way as we're doing this. And you can go the other way too. Helps kind of keep it in place. Okay, so now we've got that. That's fine enough for what we want. If you're not comfortable with a knife though, there is another way that you can get this if you don't want to be using a giant knife. We're going to use the rest of this cilantro here. And again, just coarsely chop it here. And now we're going to use just a hand chopper. We'll just bunch some of this in here. And that's it. It's going to be not quite as good because the chopper is not always going to cut the leaves, but it's a little bit safer if you don't want to be using a giant knife if you're not comfortable with that yet. But if you use the knife, it's going to be a little bit more evenly cut. You might end up with some larger leaves in here, but that's about it.